I'm Melanie McFarlane, CEO and Principal Migration Consultant for MMMigration. We've been operating in Australia for more than 10 years with a 99% success rate of assisting migrants to achieve their dreams of living and working in Australia. We assist employers in Australia to sponsor skilled migrants from overseas to work in the core industries of agriculture, aged care, hospitality, engineering and childcare. Our mantra is happy people, happy world. Our vision is to create a united world, one visa at a time. Our aim is to inform both employers and individuals alike about the changes that took place on the 18th of March 2018 to the previous 457 temporary employer-sponsored visa, which was abolished and has been replaced by the TSS Subclass 482 visa. In order to sponsor an overseas worker, an Australian employer must carry out the following 3 steps. The first one is for the sponsorship application. A business must become approved as a standard business sponsor by demonstrating lawful and active operation in Australia to employ a TSS visa holder. The next step is the nomination. Following the SBS application, an employer must nominate a position within their business as one which must be filled by an overseas citizen. As part of this step, there are various requirements to be met, including labour market testing. To nominate an employee for a TSS visa, a business must provide evidence that they have conducted labour market testing in the 12 months prior to making a nomination application. There is a transitional period, however, until November, whereby employers can demonstrate only 6 months of labour market testing. Training levy. The introduction of the TSS visa brings with it a new Skilling Australians Fund, the SAF, levy to be paid at nomination stage, making it a considerably expensive process. The charge will be calculated according to the number of years for which the visa is required, as set out in the nomination, and will be payable in full at this time. A small business with turnover less than $10 million will pay $1,200 per nomination per year for a TSS visa. A large business will pay $1,800 per nominee per year. If the employee is applying for a 4-year visa, this will require the 4 annual payments to be made at the time of application. And salary level. The salary for the nominated position must meet 2 requirements. Remuneration must be above the Temporary Skilled Migration Income Threshold, the TSMIT, which is currently $53,900 plus superannuation. Secondly, the proposed salary must be within the market rate for the role, which ensures the applicant will be paid in line with Australian employees in comparable roles. The third step in the process is the visa application itself, at which time the nominee must demonstrate that they meet the requisite skill level for their occupation, as well as health and character requirements. The main change to the visa application is that employees or visa applicants must now demonstrate that they have 2 years of full-time work experience post-qualification in order to be eligible to apply. Now that you've heard about these visa changes, please take note of the fact that this is a very complex process, not one to be undertaken on your own. Please don't hesitate to come and see our team at MMMigration for further advice and support. Thank you.